are here today out at Kahuku Point to enjoy a fabulous event hosted by the Trust for Public Land. The event today is called A Day on the Land, and we are here helping the Trust for Public Land along with volunteers from other organizations and community members to help clear invasive species, plant new native plants in the land, and also pick up debris along the coastline. Kahuku Point, it's actually a very special spot for our endangered Hawaiian monk seal. There's actually only about 1,100 Hawaiian monk seals left in the wild, and we had the treat this morning of actually being able to see a new pup that was born here in Keiki Pool at Kahuku Point. And so it was a really nice thing because it really showed a real-world example of how being good stewards of the environment can truly make an impact. It really shows how important it is to take care of these special places and make sure they don't get overdeveloped, and make sure we carry it on for future generations, not only for our keiki, but also for Mother Nature's keiki.
I want to thank all of these amazing sponsors for being here today. Many of you have been with us 4 years running, so thank you so much for your commitment and dedication. We really appreciate you coming back year after year. The donation that you make supports our work around the state, conserving land that the communities really value, and also provides hopefully a really great experience for you guys to learn about this place and have a really good time stewarding land. So we really want to thank North Shore Community Land Trust for hosting us today and leading our teams. Thank you, Doug. So as for the Trust for Public Land, we are a national nonprofit. We started our Hawaii office, about 30 years ago. We started working in Hawaii, and to date, we've conserved over 31 special places around the state with over 43,000 acres of land, including this amazing place, the coastline of Kahuku and Kahuku Point. And we really focus on conserving lands that are important to people. Our mission is conserving land for people and working with communities to identify and prioritize and then conserve those places that they value and are most special to them. So we were really grateful to be able to do that here on the North Shore with the North Shore community and of course with our partner, North Shore Community Land Trust.
Throughout history, Hawaiians have lost a lot of land. And it's really sad because through that, they've lost a lot of culturally significant sites. And it's really important to me to preserve the sites that are left. And the Trust for Public Lands does just that. They save these lands by working with communities and organizations, and they save them and protect them from development so that everyone can enjoy them. You may not have heard of the Trust for Public Lands, and I never did until I got involved with them, but that's because they do what's right and not what's going to get them recognition, and that's something I really value.
We really want to thank the Trust for Public Land for inviting us here today. Such a special event, and we hope that there are many more opportunities like this to come. We also want to thank all of the helping hands who came out, the many volunteers, as well as our friends in Ohana for helping, being out in the sun, cutting down some of the invasives to let our natives thrive, and just giving back and being part of a positive thing today.